about the hackers and the digital strife. Is your dog's name Buster a password that's great? Or should it be a string that's much harder to state? Make it long, 12 characters or more. Make it strong, symbols, numbers galore. Unique, don't use it at every store. If you log into your bank